according to the report, people who use painkillers are increasingly turning to heroin to ease that pain. To compound the problem, more young people are experimenting with it as well. Evan Kaysen is a substance abuse counselor at Aspire Counseling Services, but he too once had a heroin problem.
Oh yes, big heroin problem.
Kaysen says clients hooked on heroin are getting younger.
I worked with someone who was 13, a 13-year-old girl who was doing it, and she was using it intravenously. So it seems like it's starting to be, a trend now with the younger people.
The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention says deaths from heroin-related overdoses nearly quadrupled between 2002 and 2013. Heroin was also doubling among women and young adults 18 to 25, and it more than doubled among whites.
77% of the people who are IV users in our program use heroin. That is an enormous number. It's huge.
Where I see a lot of it is younger athletes. I think that athletes get hurt, they get injured playing sports. Then they get on prescription pills such as Vicodins, Norcos, Oxycontins, things like that. After a while, they develop an addiction to the opiate drug, and then they go on to the next step.
Scott Hune runs Aspire Counseling Services, which helps clients struggling with addiction get back on their feet. Getting treatment, he says, is essential to beating the addiction.
If we do nothing about it, it will get worse. The more light we can shed on the problem and the more treatment that we can offer folks, it will help. Health officials say the increase in heroin use is also contributing to the rising rates of HIV infections and other health problems as well. Courtney?